Hello, and welcome to Bull Mindset. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for any trader. Yes, it's trading psychology. So let's get started. 1. Introduction to trading psychology. Trading psychology refers to the emotional and mental state of traders that influences their decision-making process. It's often overlooked, but it's just as crucial as understanding technical analysis or market fundamentals. 2. Importance of trading psychology. Why is trading psychology important? Well, emotions like fear, greed, and overconfidence can cloud your judgment and lead to irrational decisions. A trader with a strong psychological foundation can manage these emotions, stick to their strategy, and make better decisions. 3. Common psychological pitfalls. Let's talk about some common psychological pitfalls. Fear. Fear of losing money can cause you to exit trades too early or avoid taking opportunities. Greed. Greed can lead you to take on unnecessary risks, hoping for larger gains. Overconfidence. After a winning streak, you might feel invincible, leading to overtrading and potential losses. 4. Developing a positive trading mindset. Developing a positive trading mindset is the key for becoming successful in trading. Here are a few tips for you all. Set realistic goals. Understand that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Set achievable goals and be patient. Stick to your plan. Create a trading plan and stick to it, regardless of emotional highs and lows. Learn from mistakes. Instead of getting discouraged by losses, analyze them to understand what went wrong. 5. Techniques to improve trading psychology. There are several techniques to improve your trading psychology. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay calm and focused. Journaling. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, thoughts, and emotions. Education. Continuously educate yourself about trading strategies and market behavior. 6. The role of discipline and patience. Discipline and patience are vital components of trading psychology. Discipline helps you follow your trading plan, while patience ensures you wait for the right opportunities. 7. Managing stress and avoiding burnout. Trading can be stressful. Here are some ways to manage stress and avoid burnout. Take breaks. Don't spend all your time in front of the screen. Take regular breaks. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper diet, exercise, and sleep. Seek support. Join trading communities or seek mentorship for guidance and support. 8. The psychological impact of losses. Losses are inevitable in trading. How you handle them can make or break your trading career. Accept losses as part of the process and don't let them affect your future decisions. 9. Building confidence in your trading strategy. Building confidence in your trading strategy is crucial. Backtest your strategies and start with a demo account to see how they perform. Gradually increase your stake as your confidence grows. In conclusion, trading psychology is a fundamental aspect of successful trading. By understanding and managing your emotions, you can improve your decision-making and increase your chances of success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and groups. Don't forget to subscribe to Bull Mindset for more tips and strategies on trading psychology. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading.